Okay, good afternoon to all of you. Okay, so first of all, the whole class is present here. Want to discuss something about the CCNA, but at last I'll do it because I can see here only 32 students have joined. Okay, so we'll start with the lecture session. So what we have discussed in the last lecture till okay, so in last lecture we have discussed about the virtual circuit and the datagram. I think it was remaining. So today we'll discuss the virtual circuit and the datagram as well. Let me share my screen. Okay, so as you can see here, in the last lecture we have only 30 minutes of lecture. After that, some seminar was there. So only half an hour lecture was there. So in that lecture we have started the virtual circuit and datagram, and in that we have completed the virtual circuit. What this virtual circuit is about. So let me just revise it once. So as we have already discussed in the chapter number 1, that is about the switching technique, right? That is, there are mainly two switching techniques, circuit switching and the packet switching. Now the packet switching can be represented in a two ways, that is a virtual circuit and a datagram network, right? Now if I say about the virtual circuit, so virtual circuit में जैसे TCP और UDP में था connection oriented, connection less. TCP was connection oriented protocol and the UDP was connection less protocol. So in the same way, if we relate this two technique of a network layer with TCP and UDP, it's somewhat relevant, right? Now we have discussed virtual circuit. So in a virtual circuit, you can see here the points that I have noted here. That is, it is the connection oriented. So if I say virtual circuit is connection oriented, justify your answer. So what you need to explain is that is connection oriented. It is because it reserved the resources. Now resources, what kind of resources? So it is already mentioned, reserves the CPU, reserves the buffer, reserves the bandwidth. So these are the resources that is reserved, right, by the sender who wants to send the packet, who wants to send the data, right? So therefore, we can say the connection needs to be established between the sender and the receiver, and for that there are different procedures that take place. Second is reservation of the resources. Third is in order delivery of a packet. Now, in order delivery, that means the sequence number is maintained. In whatever the sequence the sender has assigned the packet, in the same sequence, the receiver will receive the packet. So we can say in a virtual circuit, in order delivery take place. Then next is less overhead. Now, why less overhead? Less overhead क्यों बोला जाता है? We can say that the path is already fixed. When the sender is sending the packet, the path is already fixed, right? So every part of the packet or a data travels through the same path or the same route, right? So for that, every block of the data or every packet don't require to put the header. राइट। अगर वो सेम पाथ से ही जा रहे हैं पैकेट, तो वो सारे एक ही पाथ से जाएंगे, राइट। दे विल नॉट फॉलो द डिफरेंट रूट। इफ दे आर फॉलोइंग द डिफरेंट रूट, देन वी नीड टू पुट द हेडर इन दी पैकेट। तो हमें हेडर रखने की जरूरत पड़ती, राइट, ताकि इंटरमीडिएट नोड्स है वो आइडेंटिफाई कर सके कि भाई ये पैकेट कहाँ से आया है और कहाँ भेजना है। बट हियर every nodes are aware that this is the packet of this source and they need to reach at the destination at this point, right? So we don't need to require a header in all packets. So we can say if there are less header, there will be less overhead. नेक्स्ट इज वी कैन से लेस चांसेस ऑफ पैकेट लॉस। यहाँ पे पैकेट लॉस होने के कम चांसेस है, ऐसा बोला है। सो वन थिंग वी कैन से कि पैकेट लॉस होने के चांसेस कम क्यों है? द फर्स्ट इज व्हाई द चांसेस ऑफ लूजिंग द पैकेट इज लो हियर। फर्स्ट थिंग, यहाँ पे रिसोर्सेस है वो रिजर्व करके रखे हैं। सेकेंड थिंग वी कैन से द पाथ इज ऑलरेडी फिक्स्ड, राइट। तो यहाँ पे जब पाथ फिक्स होगा, रिसोर्सेस रिजर्व होंगे, so there will be no any kind of a decision that is taken by the intermediate node, right? जो सोर्स से डिस्पैच होगा वही चीज रिसीवर की साइड से उसे रिसीव होगी, right? So there will be, I can say that there is no chance of, we can say less chance of the packet loss. Next is cost is high. Obviously we are reserving the resources and it costs something, right? अगर कुछ हम रिजर्व कर रहे हैं तो obviously उसके पैसे लगेंगे. So we can say here we are reserving the resources like a CPU, buffer, bandwidth, right? So these are the things, these are the resources that we are reserving for transmitting the packet. So we can say obviously it will cost, so cost is high. Then next is less delay. यहाँ पे डिले क्यों लेस है? पाथ फिक्स है, एक ही पाथ से जाना है सबको, राइट? अलग अलग पाथ तो है नहीं। सो सारे पैकेट इन ऑर्डर में डिलीवर होंगे, साथ साथ डिले भी कम होगा, बिकॉज यहाँ पे देयर इज नो एनी, वी कैन से टेक्निक, स्टोर एंड फॉरवर्ड टेक्निक इज यूज्ड, दैट वाज यूज्ड इन दी पैकेट स्विचिंग। पैकेट स्विचिंग में वो यूज हुआ था, बट इन केस ऑफ अ virtual circuit there is no any technique that is used store and forward, so there is a less delay, we can say, right? Now next is datagram network. So the first point that we can say about the datagram is it is connectionless and it is analogous to UDP. UDP भी connectionless protocol था. Datagram network is also a connectionless network, right? We cannot say it's a protocol. UDP था वो protocol था that was used in the transport layer, but here datagram network that is used in the network layer, right? So the first thing we can say it is a connectionless. सेकेंड थिंग, यहाँ पे दूसरी चीज क्या होगी? दैट इज नो रिजर्वेशन। यहाँ पे कोई भी रिसोर्स इसको रिजर्व नहीं किया जाएगा, राइट? जैसे ही वी कैन से दैट इफ द सेंडर वांट्स टू सेंड द पैकेट, सेंडर विल जस्ट सेंड द पैकेट, इट विल नॉट रिजर्व द रिसोर्सेज सच एज बफर, सीपीयू, बैंडविड्थ, वो यहाँ पे रिजर्वेशन नहीं होगा, राइट? सो वी कैन से नो रिजर्वेशन. देन नेक्स्ट इज कि यहाँ पे रिजर्वेशन नहीं है, पाथ फिक्स नहीं है, क्योंकि ये कनेक्शन लेस है इसलिए पाथ फिक्स नहीं होगा. सो एवरी पैकेट और एवरी डेटा ब्लॉक विल ट्रैवल थ्रू दी डिफरेंट रूट. वो सारे जो पैकेट्स है, जो डेटा ब्लॉक्स है, वो अलग अलग रूट से ट्रैवल करेंगे. तो कई बार ऐसा हो सकता है दैट पैकेट नंबर 1 हैज टेकन द लॉन्गेस्ट रूट, while packet number 2 has taken the shortest route and packet 3 has taken the average route. तो पॉसिबिलिटी है कि पहले पैकेट 2 फिर 3 और फिर 1 आए, राइट? सो यहाँ पे we cannot say there is a fixed like the whatever the packet or the data that has been sent by the sender in a sequence, in the same sequence the receiver will receive, right? So this will not be the case in a datagram network. So we can say out of order packet. Then next is, और क्या होगा? Here you know that all the data blocks are traveled through the different route, right? All the data packets are traveled through the different route. So we need to put the header in all the blocks of the data or in all the packets that is traversing from the source point to the destination point. अभी यहाँ पे सारे पैकेट्स है, they are traveling from the different route. So for that we need to put the header in every packet just to identify that whether which this packet belongs to which source and this packet needs to reach at which destination point, right? So for that we need to put the header in every part of the packet or a data block, right? So we can say कि अगर हर एक पैकेट में हम लोग हेडर रख रहे हैं, so that means we can say there is a high overhead. Then next is, यहाँ पे पैकेट लॉस होने के चांसेस कितने हैं, कोई बता सकता है? Is there a high chance or low chance of losing the packets? Obviously there are high chance of losing the packets क्योंकि सारे पैकेट्स है वो different route follow कर रहा है. So sometimes it happens that in some route there might be a congestion, there might be some networking issue, or we can say some congestion problem might occur, right? So there is a possibility if the packets are traveling through the different route, there might be a high possibility of losing the packets, right? So we can say high packet loss. Then next what we can say, if we talk about the cost, so obviously the cost will be low here because यहाँ पे कोई reservation नहीं हो रहा है. So cost is low in case of that. What do you think about delay? Delay क्या होगा इसमें? Really, delay will be less. Think once again. If you see at the virtual circuit में delay क्या था? तो पता चल जाएगा less delay, पर क्यों less delay था? अगर इसमें भी less delay है तो क्यों है? We can say there will be a high delay because one thing we can say that sometimes it happens that some of the packets might be stuck in a loop, right? कई बार ऐसा होता है कि कंजेशन की वजह से पैकेट जो है वो लूप में फंस जाता है, right? So वो उसी नेटवर्क में घूमता रहता है, घूमता रहता है, घूमता रहता है, and when we can say the time is over. So for that we have one phrase that is time to leave, right? तो टाइम टू लीव का मतलब क्या है कि जैसे ही वो सारी होप वी कैन से कि उसका एक टाइम रहता है कि सिर्फ इतने टाइम तक वो पैकेट है वो एक्टिव रह सकता है राइट। लेट्स से कि अगर मैंने ऐसा बोला दैट द टीटीएल इज 30 राइट, सो वो 30 काउंट तक हर एक काउंट में एक एक जो है वैल्यू वो डिक्रीमेंट होती जाएंगी। लेट्स से कि अगर पैकेट लूप में फंस गया है, सो आफ्टर सम टाइम इट ट्रेवल्स one round, the TTL value will be decreased by 1. So 30 में से 29, फिर से एक राउंड घूम के आया 28, फिर से एक राउंड घूम के आया 27। जब वो TTL 0 हो जाएगा, then that packet will be discarded from the network. तब वो पैकेट है वो डिस्कार्ड कर दिया जाएगा नेटवर्क में से, राइट। सो वी कैन से कि यहाँ पे बहुत सारी ऐसी पॉसिबिलिटीज है कि पैकेट जो है वो डिफरेंट रूट से ट्रैवल कर रहा हो, so sometimes it stuck in a loop and due to that there is a high chances of a delay, right? So we can say here the delay is high. Okay, so we can say in this case the delay will be high. So these are the things that we can say about the virtual circuit and the datagram network. So you can see here, so यहाँ पे पहले datagram में क्या देखा, if we compare, if we just relate the virtual circuit and a datagram network with a TCP and a UDP, so you can see here that it is a connection less first, right, as there is no connection, or we can say there is no connection establishment phase between the two entities here, so that's why it is said as a connection less. Second is there is no reservation of the resources. यहाँ पे resources है वो रिजर्व नहीं किए जाते हैं, रिसोर्सेस विल बी द सेम। अगर किए जाते तो कौन कौन से रिसोर्सेस होते, दैट इज बैंडविड्थ, सीपीयू एंड बफर, बट यहाँ पे तो कोई रिजर्वेशन है ही नहीं, so we can say no reservation. Then next is out of order. So यहाँ पे out of order क्यों है, because every part of the packet travel through the different route, right? So if they are traveling through the different route, there might be a possibility that some packet might take a longest route, some packet might take a shortest route. So we can say there is a the packet might reach out of order in case of a datagram network. Next is we can say high overhead. Now here the high overhead is there because here the header is put on every packet. Why we are putting the header in packets? To reach at the destination point, right? So यहाँ पे if they are, this packet is traveling through the different routes, so we need to put the header in all the blocks of the data. So we can say there is a high overhead due to that, because we are here we are putting the header in all the packets, so there will be a high overhead. Then next is high packet loss. यहाँ पे packet loss होने के chances भी ज्यादा है. Cost, if I say about the cost, then it is low, then delay it is high, right? So this is all about the virtual circuit and a datagram network, right? So you can consider it as a difference or you can consider it as a point. अगर सिर्फ virtual circuit पूछा जाता है, so you can write all these points. यहाँ पे मैंने keywords लिखे हैं, but you can write in a statement as we have already discussed in the detail. So यहाँ पे आप ऐसे लिख सकते हो, देन आप उसे डिफरेंस कंसीडर करके भी लिख सकते हो कि ये कनेक्शन ओरिएंटेड है, ये कनेक्शन लेस है, राइट? सो यू कैन कंसीडर इट इन दैट वे आल्सो. So this is all about the virtual circuit and a datagram network. So any doubt up till now? Yes, any doubt up till now? Let me know in the chat box. Okay, now moving to the next part, that is about the datagram header. So let's say that यहाँ पे header का मतलब क्या होगा? Let me just share my screen here. So here, as you can see, the first field of the datagram header is version field. So the version field consists of 4 bits here. Then next field here is header length, that is HLEN. Header length will be there, and next is 4 bits of header length, and next is type of the services. If we consider the type of service, then I can say it in 8 bits. And the next is, we can say the total length. Total length, that will be a 16 bit. So यहाँ पे version है वो क्या display करता है, we can what it represents. So here the version is, we can say version of the IP protocol, that is 4 bits, which is 4 for IPv4. अगर IPv4 datagram format है, so यहाँ पे version क्या होगा, that will be 4. If it is an IPv6, then the version will be 6. हेडर लेंथ है वो 40 बिट्स है, बट इफ आई से कि IPv4 डेटाग्राम हेडर लेंथ इज 20 to 60 बाइट्स, तो यहाँ पे मैडम आप बोल रहे हो कि यहाँ पे हेडर लेंथ 20 to 60 बाइट्स के बीच में रहती है, सो मिनिमम इज 20, maximum is 60. So why it is written here 4? The reason is that it will be always in the multiplication of a 4, right? अभी यहाँ पे header length की minimum value क्या रहेगी? Let's say कि मैंने यहाँ पे 1 से start किया, अभी मुझे 1 को 4 के साथ multiply करना होगा, so 1 4 जा 4, so ये तो नहीं हो सकती क्योंकि minimum 20 है. Let's take 2, 2 4 जा 8, so 8 भी नहीं हो सकती. 3 into 4 that is 3 4 जा 12, 12 नहीं हो सकती. मिनिमम कितनी होनी चाहिए? 20. लेट्स टेक 4, 4 4 जा 16, ये भी नहीं हो सकती. 5 4 जा 20, सो मेरी वैल्यू मिनिमम क्या हो सकती है? दैट शुड बी 5 एंड मैक्सिमम शुड बी, मैक्सिमम कितनी होनी चाहिए? Count, what should be the maximum value for this? Let's say कि 9 4 जा 36, तो ये तो कम पड़ती है. 60 किस में आता है? उतनी वैल्यू हमारी होनी चाहिए, राइट? 12 4 जा 48, 15 4 जा 60 होगा. So the maximum value for the header length is 15 and the minimum value for the header length should be 5. Minimum 5 क्यों है वो मैंने रीजन बताया, क्योंकि मैक्सिमम और मिनिमम लेंथ हेडर की ऑलरेडी डिफाइन की गई है. मैक्सिमम इज 50 एंड द मिनिमम इज 20, राइट? तो यहाँ पे अगर 5 into 4 करोगे you will get the 20, so the 5 should be the minimum value and 15 is the maximum value. That's why it is 20 to 60 bytes of header length. Then type of service, कौन सी सर्विस दी जा सकती है? We can say delay, throughput, reliability. These are the type of the services that is provided by the IPv4, right? So we can say type of the services की reliable कितना है packet, we can say throughput कितना होगा, what should be the delay, that value, that are the services that are mentioned in this field. Then length, total length. तो टोटल लेंथ में क्या होगा? लेंथ ऑफ द हेडर प्लस डेटा, राइट? तो यहाँ पे 16 बिट्स है, दोनों को मिला के 16 बिट्स होगा. दैट मींस इसमें हेडर भी आ जाएगा और वी कैन से दी डेटा भी हो सकता है, राइट? तो यहाँ पे लेंथ का मतलब क्या होगा? हेडर प्लस डेटा. And if we combine the header and the data, then the size of that should be of 16 bits, right? Which has the minimum value of 20 bytes and the maximum value of 65535. Then next is identification. The next field is identification. After that, the various flags bit are given. And fragment offset. That is of 13 bits. The next is time to leave, that is of 8 bits. Protocol, कौन सा प्रोटोकॉल यूज होगा, दैट इज ऑल्सो मेंशन्ड. एंड दी हेडर चेकसम. अभी चेकसम किसके लिए यूज किया जाता है? एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी सेड that for the error detection there are mainly two techniques that is used for that. that is checksum, and a cyclic redundancy check, right? So here the header checksum will be there. Of 16 bits, protocol 8 bits, and time to live 8 bits. Then next is source IP, destination IP, option and data. So I can write here source IP, destination IP, option and data. So source IP is very simple. जहाँ पे source address mention किया जाता है, that will be this field, right? Destination IP, that is the destination field of that. So these are the things that will be there. So source IP यहाँ पे कितने bits का होगा? We can say source IP consists of 32 bits here. Destination IP, that is also of 32 bits. Options, that in that 0 to 40 bytes of the options, and the next which is we can say the data will be there, right? So यहाँ पे जो data कौन सा data है, कहाँ से आया है, वो already mention किया गया है. कहाँ से आया है, that is the source IP. कहाँ जाना है, destination IP. और क्या data है, that will be there in this field, right? So these are the things which are there in the IPv4 datagram format, right? So यहाँ पे identification, flags, these are the, we can say, the fields which is very important to transmit the packet from one end to the another end, right? Which has a, we can say, all these fields have a different purpose of using, right? So identification, flags, fragment offset, time to leave. As I've said that if the packet is stuck in a loop, so for that we have one field, that is the time to leave field, which is very important. Protocol, which protocol is used in that is mentioned. Header checksum, which shows that whether this data contains any kind of error or not. So for that we have an header checksum field. Next is source IP address, in which the source address is mentioned, right? यहाँ पे source IP किसकी है? So source IP, that means where the source address is mentioned. So for that source IP is there. Destination IP, that is of 32 bit, where the destination point is mentioned, option and the data field is there, right? So those are the fields that is in the IPv4 datagram format. So any doubt up till now? Just write in the chat box if you have any doubt. Okay, so today we have started with the virtual circuit and a datagram network. In that, first of all, we have discussed the virtual circuit, which is, we can say, analogous to the TCP, which is there in the transport layer, but the virtual circuit is there in the network layer. And the second one is datagram network. That is, we can say, which is analogous to the UDP, that is user datagram protocol, and TCP is the transmission control protocol. So datagram is analogous to the UDP, which is there in the transport layer, while the datagram is in the network layer. So we have seen its characteristics, that what it is about, right? I have noted the key points over here, so you can easily make the sentence of that and write it in the exam, right? Virtual circuit and a datagram network, both are very 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 important, right? उसका डिफरेंस भी एग्जाम में आ सकता है और उसका इंडिविजुअल क्वेश्चन भी आ सकता है, right? So you need to write all the points which is written over here. I have just written the keywords, but you can easily make the sentence from that. Same for the datagram network also. Datagram network में वही चीजें है. I have written the key points, right? Key points यहाँ पे मैंने already लिखे हुए हैं. So key points है. You can make a sentence from that, and this points are also used in the differentiation, right? Difference में भी ये points use हो जाएंगे. That is, if it is asked differentiate the virtual circuit and the datagram network, so you can write all these points. So this is all about the virtual circuit and a datagram network. So the same thing, let me just show in the PPT. So you can see here in the PPT, we have started with this, that is a virtual circuit and a datagram. So you can see here the diagram, right? यहाँ पे डेटाग्राम है, वो डायग्राम देके समझाया गया है, that signed datagram at source this point or at host A, received datagram at host B or at the destination side. The signed and received datagram you can see on your screen. Then forwarding table is also there, that how we can prepare the forwarding table, right? So that is also given in this slide. Then as I have said कि ये differentiate करने में भी useful होता है, right? We can say कि differentiate करने के लिए जो points है वो काफी अच्छे हैं, वो हम use कर सकते हैं difference में. So यहाँ पे भी PPT में भी एक difference दिया गया है datagram और virtual circuit का. So connection setup, as we have discussed, it is connection oriented and it is connection less. So we can say datagram is connection less, virtual circuit is a connection oriented. Then next is addressing. So addressing की बात करें, so it is there कि packet contains full source and the destination address. यहाँ पे address में पूरा datagram होगा तो पैकेट में सोर्स और डेस्टिनेशन का पूरा एड्रेस दिया जाएगा. बट इफ आई से अबाउट द वर्चुअल सर्किट, देन देयर विल बी अ शॉर्ट डिस्क्रिप्शन अबाउट द पैकेट, राइट? स्टेट इंफॉर्मेशन की बात करें, none other than the router table containing the destination network. Each virtual circuit number entered to table on setup used for the routing. राइट। यहाँ पे जो भी we can say virtual circuit number होगा, path number होगा, that all things will be mentioned in the table. So we can say it maintains the state information. Next is we can say routing. अगर routing की बात की जाए for the datagram, then packet routed independently. Datagram as I said कि यहाँ पे जो packets है वो सारे different route follow करेंगे. They will not follow the same path, right? So one thing we can say that the packet routed in case of a datagram network is a independently. They routed independently. While in case of a virtual circuit, route established at setup, all packets follow the same route. सारे पैकेट्स है वो एक ही रूट फॉलो करेंगे और एक ही रूट से जाएंगे, right? So all the packets in a virtual circuit will follow the same route. Then effect of router failure, that only on packets lost during the crash and all virtual circuit passing through failure router terminated. यानी कि जो भी चीज राउटर के पास से गुजरेगी वो वहां पे टर्मिनेट हो जाएगी और यहाँ पे जो भी पैकेट्स ऑन होंगे, दैट मीन्स जो ट्रैवल कर रहे होंगे, दैट ओनली दैट पैकेट विल बी क्रैश्ड. Then congestion control, difficult since all packets routed independently. Router resource requirement can vary simply by pre-allocating enough buffers to each virtual circuit at setup, since maximum number of circuits fixed. यहाँ पे जो है वो path fix है, right? So कोई भी पैकेट डिस्पैच करने से पहले सोर्स जो है वो पाथ चेक कर लेता है that whether this path is feasible or not, right? If it is feasible, then and then only the packet will be traversed through that path. Until and unless it will not travel. So we can say कि यहाँ पे जो virtual circuit है वहां पे pre allocation of resources पहले हो जाता है. We can say the resources are already pre allocated, so don't require any we can say there is a less chances of a congestion, right? While here in the datagram, all the packets are travel through the different route, plus there is no reservation of resources. So there might be a possibility that some paths are, we can say, suffering from the congestion, right? So packets also have to suffer from the congestion. So these are the points of the datagram in a virtual circuit. So any doubt up till now? Let me know in the chat box. Okay, so our next topic is about the routing algorithm, right? So in the next lecture, we'll start with the routing algorithm. We'll go through the classification of the routing algorithm, that what it is about, and then we'll discuss the routing algorithm. Okay, so we are winding up the session today. Want to do some discussion regarding the CCNA final exam. I wanted to ask you that how many of you have not given the CCNA final exam? Please write in the chat box. Yes, Raj.
बस मैम कंप्लीटेड लिखा था, डिलीवर नहीं हो रहा था, हो गया।
Okay.
मैम सर्टिफिकेट अभी तक नहीं मिला।
सर्टिफिकेट दोनों मॉड्यूल खत्म करने के बाद होंगे।
अच्छा मैम, ओके।
I am asking that who have not given the exam. That means if you are not answering that everybody has given the exam. अगर फिर लास्ट में ऐसा बोलोगे कि मैडम हमने फाइनल एग्जाम नहीं दी है, there will be no other option. Let me know here that who have not given the final exam which was conducted on 28th March. I have not given. Okay. और कोई? अभी बोल दो जिसने एग्जाम नहीं दी है, प्लीज राइट इन द चैट बॉक्स। Okay, so there are 2 students who have not given the exam. Okay, 3, 4 और बोलो कितने बाकी है? Okay. Vijay, Arjun, Alazar, Tushar, Pema, and again, you just be there after the completion of the lecture.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, attendance. First TP1. Sharing my screen here. अगर आप नहीं बोल पा रहे हो, just write in the chat box before I announce your number. 1, 2,
Present, ma'am.
3, 4, 5, 6,
Present.
7,
Present.
8, 9,
Present, ma'am.
10, 12, 13,
Present, ma'am.
15, 17, 18, 19,
Present, ma'am.
20, 21,
Present, ma'am.
22.
Present, ma'am.
Screen, एक minute, let me share my screen. Okay, 19 and 20 is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Check your screen, you are marked as present or absent. 19 is there. 20,
Present, ma'am.
21,
Present, ma'am.
22,
Present, ma'am.
24,
Present, ma'am. 24.
25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 31, 32, 33,
Ma'am, AI
34,
17 present.
34, 35, 36,
Present, ma'am.
37,
Present, ma'am.
38, 39.
Yes, ma'am.
May I 35 present?
मैम AI 29 also
Write in
present.
the chat box. Don't interrupt me in between. 38, 39,
Yes, ma'am.
40, 43, 46,
Yes, ma'am.
47,
Present, ma'am.
48, 49, 50, 51, 52,
Present, ma'am.
53, 54, 55,
Present, ma'am.
56,
Yes, ma'am.
57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 67,
Present, ma'am.
68,
Present, ma'am.
69,
Present, ma'am.
71, 73,
Yes, ma'am.
1,
73.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Present, ma'am.
कौन
Six
सा
present,
present?
ma'am. Six,
6
ma'am.
present और
Ma'am, 5. Including 5.
5, 2, 4. Okay, take these numbers fast. Okay, big data students. Let me just take. One,
Present, ma'am.
2,
Yes,
3,
ma'am.
4, 5, 7,
Ma'am, 5 present.
8,
Yes, ma'am.
9,
Present, ma'am.
10, 11, 12, 13.
Present, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 3 students are absent. Okay, rest of the students may leave the session. Only the students who have not given the exam will stay here.